Hello everybody, how's it going? Nicole and I need a night out, so we are heading to Niagara Falls tonight. Check out Arkells. They're playing at the OLG Stage. We got a room at the Wyndham Hotel there by the Fallsview, so we're excited to check it out. We've seen the Arkells a bunch of times. And yeah, we just stopped off at the watering can. Nicole loves to come here and check it out. She's a big fan of this place. So we got a little holiday treat, and we're gonna continue our way on to Niagara Falls now. Yeah, we're on the 14th floor. Look at that. We're on the Fallsview side. Oh, nice. Look at this. Yeah. Oh, cool. A little bed for us to sleep over here.
Oh, wow, we got Fallsview.
Look at that.
Nice.
So there you go. We booked a city view room here and we got upgraded to a Falls view. What a beautiful view. Last time we just kind of looked out at the back of the building, but now we're looking out over Niagara Falls. It's beautiful. You see the Falls view and the top of the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. Very cool. And they got this interesting like little bench thing here, I guess you can like sleep on. Hopefully don't roll out the window.
That's my favorite part.
It's like a little lounge. I think I'm gonna have a drink. Do a little room tour. Oh yeah, we're out. It's a night out now. All right, you've seen the awesome Falls view. Just taking some cool pics. We got this cool bench. King size bed. Very nice. Room is nice. It's got the TV, all the stuff you need. And then it's got a bathroom. Look at that, look at that, look at me. Very festive. Sleigh the Night, baby. You know what's in here. It's a bathroom. But yeah, it's awesome. We got it for one night. Just got a city view because I was like, hey, we're here for one night. That's all right. Upgraded to the Falls view. Just enjoying the view. This is awesome. Definitely setting up the vibes for tonight to be a fun night. We also got these vouchers, which we'll try out and see if any of them are good. This one, see how much we can win with $25 to the casino tonight. And then we'll see what's good from this one. Maybe hit up TGI Fridays for dinner. Try and use one of these vouchers, see how much money we can save, and have a good time. I grabbed the chair from over there. It fits up here, so now I'm sitting on it up here. We're gonna hit up TGIF Friday, or I guess it's TGI Fridays for dinner. It's one of the $20 vouchers included if you get 2 entrees. I ordered the chicken fingers and fries. Nicole got the sizzling chicken fajita. That looks really good. Dinner was pretty good at TGIF's. I think it ended up being $52 Canadian with tip. So we got the $20 off. They did try to put that tourist tax, but you just ask for it, 8%, they'll take it off. Anyways, we're walking to the show now. I'm gonna check out Arkells. This will be our 5th time seeing them. So I'm excited. It's a Christmas show. We've got our holiday sweaters on. It'll be a great holiday time. We're heading way up. We're in the cheap seats, so we just keep escalating and escalating. New shirt, Christmas shirt. Always nice to get a new shirt, especially when it's Christmas. Yes.
G?
3.
We're in G?
Yeah.
3 and 4?
Up in the cheap seats. But they're still good seats. We're vibing. You don't need to be up close to feel the vibes, especially the Christmas vibes.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
Yeah, they call it a punk rock, and that will bring us to our knees. Come on now, get on your feet. There's a limit to us, but we play the cards anyway, and we pull them out like the lottery. See who picks up the tab, and we could hold down time. Let's hold down time. Come on, decoration. What we wasted, oh no. Arkells Sleigh.
That was a great show.
It was. It's awesome.
Yeah, they played a bunch of holiday songs, some of their own Christmas songs, some cover songs, a very unique set list, so that was a fun one. You don't have Pub Crawl on your playlist for Christmas, add that one. We're going to the casino now. All right, we're in the casino now. We're gonna try and turn this 25 free play into real money. All right, here we go. Wish us luck. Go for it. Hey, we did it. We won $1. There, we did it. We beat the system. We got $1.25. We spent the $25 free play, but we won this. Like, oh. All right, back in the room. Got our money from the casino. We had some fun at the concert, and now I'm exhausted. So, I'm gonna say goodnight and enjoy the morning. All right, just packing up, get ready to check out. One last look out the window at our beautiful view. Overall, a great little getaway for a night. Feeling good, slightly recharged, could use a little nap, but yeah, it was good. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like the Arkells, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.